In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course in ClickFunnels. We're going to start by enabling the Courses app in your ClickFunnels workspace. This is a vital first step because without activating this feature, you won't have the tools available to build your course. So head over to your ClickFunnels account and make sure the Courses app is turned on. This preparation ensures that all the necessary features are ready for us to dive into the exciting part, creating your course. Once the Courses app is enabled, look to the sidebar of your ClickFunnels workspace. Here, you'll find various options that help navigate through different functionalities. What you'll want to do next is locate the Courses tab and give it a click. This action will lead you to the area where you can start crafting your educational masterpiece. At this point, click on the Create Course button. It's the gateway to setting up a brand new course. Next, it's time to choose the type of course you want to create. ClickFunnels offers diverse formats to suit different teaching styles and business goals. After selecting your course type, you'll need to customize several key elements. These include crafting a compelling title, providing an informative description, and selecting a thumbnail image. Each component is crucial in making your course appealing and understandable to your audience. And for those of you who are detail-oriented, you have the option to customize the course path URL. This further personalizes your course and can make it easier for participants to access it directly. Now, one important decision you must make is whether your course will be free or paid. This choice depends heavily on your objectives. If your goal is to build an audience quickly or provide complimentary value, opting for a free course might be the best path. However, if your strategy focuses on monetization and offering premium content, a paid course becomes a suitable option. Take your time to weigh the pros and cons of each, considering the value of your content and your business strategy. Once you've made these decisions and completed these tasks, your course is ready to be created. ClickFunnels will set up your course framework, and you can enter the course dashboard. This dashboard becomes your command center for managing every aspect of your course. From here, you can organize your lessons, structure your curriculum, and further enhance your presentation. The dashboard is intuitive, offering a user-friendly interface to make edits, upload materials, and track your course's progress and engagement metrics. By following these steps, you'll be equipped to create an engaging and successful course in ClickFunnels, ready to share your expertise with the world. Whether you aim to educate or earn, thoughtful planning and execution will pave the way for achieving your goals. Don't forget to explore the various tools and features ClickFunnels offers to optimize and elevate your course content and experience.